Fáilte Arash. Welcome back. Welcome to another Irish language video. And in this video I'm going to show you some words and phrases to help you describe snowy weather. The Irish for snow is sneachta, and ag cur sneachta is snowing, ag cur sneachta. Sneachtool is snowy, sneachtool, snowy. Sneachta trum is heavy snow, sneachta trum. And go leor sneachta is lots of snow or accumulations of snow, go leor sneachta. Brot sneachta is a blanket of snow, brot sneachta. And Shiaba is a blizzard, Shiaba. Let's look at some phrases now to help you describe snowy conditions. We're going to have 7 phrases. Here's the first one. Thosaigh sé ag cur sneachta. It started to snow. Thosaigh sé ag cur sneachta. The next one. Bhí sneachta éadrom tar éis titim. A gentle falling of snow had occurred. Bhí sneachta éadrom tar éis titim. Our next phrase. The snow was very deep. Bhí an sneachta anna down. The snow was very deep. Bhí an sneachta anna down. Tá sé chomh le sneachta. He is as white as snow. Tá sé chomh le sneachta. Next, bhí brot sneachta ar an talamh. A blanket of snow was on the ground. Bhí brot sneachta ar an talamh. Tá an sneachta ag lé. The snow is melting. Tá an sneachta ag lé. Bhí sé ag slústáil sneachta den chosán. He was shoveling snow from the footpath. Bhí sé ag slústáil sneachta den chosán. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite weather related phrases. And don't forget also to hit that subscribe button, and you can also hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I make a new Irish language video. Okay, ceart go leor, sin é, that's it. Gurb mágat agus slán go fóill. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.